Hello, this is a simple demonstration on how to use the simple chord map. So you can read the directions at the top of the page. Remember two things when you're using the map. First, you may jump anywhere from 1. So if you start here on 1, and I would love for you to start on 1, then just choose anything that you like and begin to follow the arrows. The second thing to remember is if a chord or a number here appears at more than one place, there's an imaginary tunnel connecting both spots, so you can move from one to the other. In other words, if I find myself at 1 and then I choose to go to 2, and then I feel like I'm stuck because then I have to go to 5. I don't have any choices and I'm kind of stuck on this pathway down to 1. So instead, the imaginary tunnel is, I can magically appear here at 2 and then choose if I want to go to 5 and 6 or if I want to go to 3 and then 6 or 4. So you have more options when you do that. There's another place on the map where you have a duplicate, and that is again 5. So if you went from 1 to 5 and you're kind of stuck going back to 1, again, imaginary tunnel, you can presto changeo and magically appear right here and then have many more options to go down the pathway of your chord map. That's it.